Hi guys, now we are going to demonstrate how we are going to crimp a Systemax 90 meters cable for Polycom extension mic. After we take out the how I call it, the shrink. Now we're going to do the wiring. You need to pay attention because this is not a regular Ethernet wiring. This is the major wiring issue because it's not going by the colors, it's going by the pins. So we're going to separate the cables from, and it's going like this. The blue that needs to go to 4 is going to 3. The orange going to 6. The white of the blue is going to 4. And the white of the orange is going to 5. This is the first side. The second side we're going to do later. The orange and the green are going to be crossed, so please pay attention. Before I'm clipping the connectors, I'm just checking again the wiring diagram. You need to pay attention for these 4 lines because the blue is going to number 3, the white blue is going to number 5, the white orange is going, the white blue is going to number 4, the white orange is going to number 5, and the orange is going to 6. Okay. To do the opposite side. I'm saying again, the cable is a Systemax cable Cat 6 with the Systemax connectors, and now we're going to crimp the other side, the opposite side of the connector, and the wiring is a little bit, it's crossed cable, so the green and the orange going to be switch places. As you can see, I'm finished to wiring the B side, the second side of the connectors, and you can see that the colors, the pin are changed. The blue stay in the same position. Also the brown stay in the same position. The orange and the green are switched position. The orange was in pin number 6, and now is in pin number 2, and the white orange that was in number 5 came to be in pin number 1. The green is on 6, on the white green is in 5. I'm going to crimp it now. And now we're going to connect it to the microphone. We're using 2 patch cord Systemax, certified Systemax cable. As you can see, we connected to the extender cable all the way. There is 90 meters of cable. You can see that it's mute and unmute, and it's working. Also, we're going to demonstrate on the screen. Mute, unmute, and this is 90 meters cable of Systemax Cat6, crimped with 2 Systemax connectors of Cat6 and 2 about 6 feet of patch cord. That's it. Thank you very much.